Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a button in Figma. Let's get started. First, open your project in Figma. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar or press R on your keyboard. Then click and drag on the canvas to draw the button shape. And after that, go to the right panel and change the fill color to the color that you want for your button. Now select the text tool by pressing the T or click the button and type the button label like submit or click here. You can also enter or you can then center the text inside the rectangle and adjust the font size and style. And for better design, you can also apply auto layout to keep the spacing balance. And that's it. That's how you create button in Figma. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.